The Genmitsu Laser Rotary V2 attachment offers a hassle-free setup as it requires no assembly and allows easy roller distance adjustments without any tools. With high-quality machined rollers, this rotary attachment ensures consistent engraving accuracy and minimizes missed motor steps, while its polyurethane coating prevents slipping. This versatile device accommodates a wide range of cylindrical objects with supported material diameters from 5 mm to 160 mm and lengths from 10 mm to 195 mm. The Genmitsu Rotary V2 is compatible with a variety of laser engravers and cutters, including popular models like the Genmitsu 3018 Pro and Jinsoku LC-50 PLUS. This rotary attachment expands your engraving possibilities by supporting objects such as wine glasses, tumblers, and pens, making it suitable for diverse projects. Genmitsu provides excellent customer support, ensuring that users can confirm compatibility and receive assistance as needed for non-Genmitsu machines.